Chatbot to book your flight, and it gives you instructions. Ask an AI agent, and it actually goes and does it. No code, no jargon. Let's break it down.
Welcome to 58 AI Bytes, where we unpack one big AI idea every week in a plain simple English so that everyone can understand. Today's topic about AI agents, and what you just saw that a normal chatbot you asked to book a flight tickets and it handed over the wall of instructions. Helpful, but notice that what it did not do that it did not actually book any tickets. Today we are going to talk about those things. How does AI agents do these activities? No code, no jargon. Let's deep dive into it. So let's begin to the story. Book my flights. So you did the same thing with the chatbot, and there is an output like here the steps you can follow for the book your flight yourself. So it provides the instructions, but the same question, the same request, in the very different results if you chat with an AI agent. Like AI agents actually does the job what you require, like searching a flight request, comparing the prices, booking the tickets, confirm the tickets is done. And this is how the AI agents and the normal chatbot are differentiated. And let's begin what of AI agents is made up of. And AI agents made up of just three simple parts, like a brain, AI model that reasons, makes the plan, and come to the memory. Remember the context, what it is done so far, and go to the tools. The things actually go to the website, search for the flight, and access your credit card. Those are the tools which AI agents allow to access it and use it to book the flight ticket for you. This is the major parts of this AI agents which is currently in use. And let's begin the secret how the AI agents actually do, because it have the tool access and everything, it have the memory, it have the context what to do, but how the agents really work. So every agent runs on one simple loop, like it thinks, breaks the goal into the plans, and act, take the consent steps, and next go for the memory or observation. So what is the output of the action item or the action which is taken by the AI agent? Observe what has happened, then repeats, adjust the output or adjust the input and output so that it designs this, and the loop will be going until the goal is reached. This is how the AI agents work in the background, that think, act, and observe, repeat are the four loops concepts. So which AI agents will be working back and back to get the goal reach. And let's talk about common tools or the superpower tools that AI agents are capable of doing those things. Like a tool turns the talker into a doer. So a tool is anything that agent allows us. The more it can reach, the more it can do. Like web search, if you have the web search option, it searches for the websites. Emails, it reads your emails, checks your calendars, connects your database, browser, code, and APIs. This is how the doer things done by the AI agents. Now let's begin see how it is work. So in general, in the real time, one goal have many action items to be done. So for example, you are planning for a team lunch for a Friday with your team, and your goal is like you give the agent like plan a team lunch for Friday. So what the AI agent will be doing, right? It checks up everyone's availabilities. So everyone is available for the Friday. It checks the free time slots of the every person. If they checks and mark is done, then it go for the restaurants nearby, because lunch in the restaurant is important. So it search nearby restaurants so that the commute will be free. And the task is also done. It search the nearby restaurants. Then it draft the mails to invite the employees for the Friday lunch, and it's drafted a proper mail, and then go for send the mail to the teams. This is how the agents react for a single task and divide the plan and action items and do the checklist based on the action items. So these AI agents are live. So many of the industries are been using these agents in the different formats like customer support, resolving the tickets end to end, and coding assistance writes fix the code using some copilot, GitHub Copilot, or coding assistance. Many coding assistants are tools are available in the market. Do the research and summarize for you, and it helps also finding the best product for your looking, or it also helps the shopping products to be upsells the products. And work automations, if there is any repetitive task, it do the workflow automations as well. And also it helps you, the personal assistants, handle your daily task. This is how the AI agents works really. Now, honestly, is everything is done by AI agents. Why we need an engineers, or why do we need a person to validate it? Because the honest catch is that a powerful that AI agents are sometimes it goes misdirection, or it miss the point where we want it to look. So they have a confidently say some wrong answers and take the wrong turns, and we burn out the main of the tokens and completely, but certain times it will take the action items. But the best option is that sweet spot is that having a human in loop, approving the what is the task is doing to have and going to have, then have a checkpoint of each task which is the agent is going to have. So having a human loop is also important for the AI agents to be done, so that AI agents can do their work. So next is the proper recap. So AI agent, a brain, a memory, a set of tools running a loop diagrams, like it thinks, acts, observes the output and repeat, so that the goal is reached. So if this made it for you to understand AI agents, please do subscribe to my channel 58 AI Bytes.